Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is a favorites video. I know I haven't done that in a while, and April is just coming to an end. Today is like the 28th of April, so I'm just going to share with you a couple of things that I've been enjoying the past month, the past 2 months maybe. I plan on making these like monthly or every 2 months, so let me know what you guys think. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna start with is makeup products. Of course, I recently switched to the Colourpop concealers. These go only for like $6, so that's like about 600, which for me is a major steal, and I've been using it religiously. I really love this concealer. I don't know, it's become one of my everyday concealers. It's replaced my other concealers and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So yeah, these come in, they recently relaunched with 30 shades now. They had like, I don't know, I don't even think it reached 15 shades. It was quite a limited shade range, so they stepped up their game. They made it into 30 shades, so I'm sure everyone can find their shade, which is absolutely great. So this is my first favorite of the month. I love the fact that it's matte but not drying, and it's not patchy. Do you know what I mean? It's like full coverage. That's what I love about this concealer. Now the next makeup product I'm going to talk about is a blush palette. I've been obsessed with makeup. I've always been obsessed with makeup. I've been obsessed with blush so much. I got the BH Cosmetics nude blush set. This is like a 10 color blush palette, and it comes with like all these different colors and shades. It has like one highlighter bronzy shade. I use this as bronze because it's too dark for my skin tone. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, I can't use this as highlight, but I use this bronzer and it's just as beautiful. Now for me, when it comes to blush, I like mauvey tones. I feel like that's what suits me most. So this one has quite a few, like that one's like I think my favorite actually. And then it also has like brighter colors in case you wanna do like brighter shades. Anyway, this has been one of my go-to. Like this is all I wear most of the time because I absolutely love blush now. It's just my thing, and I used to hate it, by the way. If you like watch my older videos, I never used to put blush on, and now I can't live without it. The next two products are lip products. So the first one is a Vaseline. To be honest, I've had this for like 3 days. Like a week I'd say, and I absolutely love it. I had this is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. I had the other smaller one, and that one is a bit sticky, so I feel like this one's bigger. So I got this one after my friend Lida like suggested it to me. It's just like a tinted Vaseline. It's not sticky at all. It's very glossy, very shiny, smells so good. Like I love the smell, and the fact that you can wear it over your lipstick and still look like you have like a gloss. Do you know what I mean? Like that vibe. This is such a good lip gloss. Now you can find these in Carrefour, by the way. They have the other size, the other typical like Vaseline container, and they have these. I'm glad I switched to this. I don't think I'll go back to the other container, and I feel like this one's more moisturizing. The fact that it's not sticky. Does that make sense? Now the next item is a gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. Let me tell you guys, this is the shade Ginger Snap. First of all, when I buy gloss, okay, the first thing I look at is a scent. Okay, that's my selling point. Like if it smells great, like take my money. It's very glossy. That's what I love about it, and the shade is such a natural shade. I don't know how many good things I can say about this, but it's a very good, I love this. It lasts you the whole day. Like you could have it on from morning and it'll still be in my case, that is what I've experienced. I don't know about you guys. If you guys maybe eat your lipsticks, then that would definitely be like a different case. Those are, I feel that's it. I feel like that's all of the makeup favorites that I've enjoyed these few months. I don't have anything new that I've tried, so that's it for when it comes to me. Now my next favorites are actually skincare products. As you know, I've been into skincare now for quite some time now. I've been trying to improve the quality of my skin. That's like important for me before makeup. Do you get what I mean? I personally have acne prone skin. I have combination skin. Yeah, I have combination skin, and I tend to break out like around my chin. My breakouts are like weird. I don't know what's wrong with my skin. Anyway, we'll talk about all of this in another video. So these are skincare products from The Ordinary. Now if you haven't heard about The Ordinary, which you probably should have, because they provide high quality skincare for a very affordable price. Also other products, but I haven't used those extensively for me to see a significant amount of change, but I've used these two quite a good amount of time, and So far I'm obsessed with the results. I could praise this all day. So the first one is just a brightening serum with stabilized vitamin C derivative. This is a ascorbyl glucoside solution, 12%. I love how all their products have like their scientific names and whatnot. It's like a selling point for me. Basically, it targets dullness and even tone and signs of age. Like, who doesn't want that? So it comes in like a bottle like this. This was about, I think, $12, so that's 1,200, which if you think about it is quite affordable. Yeah, so you just, and I like I mentioned like in my previous vlog, you just need like literally like a drop, like just a drop, like a tiny drop, and you are good to go. I personally scar very easily, okay, and I tan very easily. This has really helped my skin. So now the next one is a moisturizer. This is the natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid. This is like a surface hydration formula. The aesthetics like gets me all the time. It has hyaluronic acid. So if you guys don't know, hyaluronic acid, HA, is a moisturizing acid. It's used to, basically what it does is it captures like the moisture in the air, like in your atmosphere, and onto your skin so that your face is hydrated. Does that make sense? Yeah, so that's what this does. Now the next, I feel like that's it for like skincare and like makeup, beauty, whatever. So the next thing we're going to talk about is fashion, and the first thing I'm going to talk about is earrings. You guys, I probably said this in like my last video. I've been obsessed with earrings, like, and I've been obsessed with them, especially these ones are like new to my collection. I did an unboxing in my previous video, shameless plug. But yeah, they're just like these really huge fuchsia tassels with like gold detailing. I absolutely love these. Now the next thing I've been obsessed with lately is belts. If you guys have seen my Instagram, you know belts is what I've been obsessed with. I've been wearing belts a lot. I don't know, it just hits the spot, man. It's just right there. I don't know, I love the way it turns an outfit. I could be wearing like a boring shirt, but once I put that belt on, it's just this denim utility looking one. This is from H&M and it's from the men's section. It doesn't say, I'm just guessing here, but this is the H&M. It's like denim, and on the side it's like army green, and it's very, I don't know, I love the fact that it has these eyelets. First of all, this whole utility trend has been going on, like utility industrial vibes. It's been a trend now in the fashion industry, and this belt has been giving me all those feels. I'm absolutely obsessed. So the next favorite thing I'm going to talk about is a blazer. I've been wanting this blazer for a long time. Once I saw it, I was obsessed with it, but the price tag that was on it was crazy, and I was like, would I really want to spend 3,000 on a Mr. Price jacket, considering the quality of clothes isn't that great? So I waited, and finally Mr. Price was having like a 75% off sale, and I jumped at the chance. So I grabbed this blazer. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'd probably insert like an image of me wearing it, but it's just like a pajama style blazer, and then it has the belt. Like, I was sold once I had that. It's like boyfriend-ish length. I don't know, it just boyfriend blazer, but that's what it looks like. I absolutely love the pajama stylish trend, and it looks so good. And it has like the belt, which I've been obsessed with. So the next blazer I'm gonna talk about, it's a black blazer. Let me grab it. Regular, completely plain, but once you style this with like a belt, or something, it just turns into something so beautiful. I don't know, I've been loving blazers lately. That's it. That's all I have to talk about this video. It's not that much, I know, but I probably have more things next time. It's because I haven't been playing around with a lot of brand new things lately. I've just had the same old things. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky.